हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन दिस वीडियो। सो अनिल टेक अड्डा यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि कैसे आप नंबर सीरीज़ या अल्फ़ाबेट सीरीज़ फिल करेंगे, क्योंकि अगर आप अल्फ़ाबेट सीरीज़ फिल करते हैं तो वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आती है। पहले मैं आपको ये करके दिखा देता हूँ। सपोज दैट आई ट्राई टू प्रिंट ऑटो फिल alphabet series and I will drag this. So this will print something like this. So only A and B is printing here. If try to print number series like 1 and 2, so you see the difference here. So this is a printing number sequence series 1 2 3 4, but here is a problem in alphabet series. This is not autofill. Problem is, so how to solve this problem? Just clear this content and I will use formula. Type equal, then char, and use bracket, then give the number. So I will give row, and then again use bracket, type reference A65, then close this, again close bracket and hit enter. You will see the A is printing. So now simply drag down, you will see the series printing. So this is the alphabet series which is autofill, and if you try to change in small letter, so this is only A97, you have to change here, then hit enter and again double click, so the autofill will be changing alphabet series in small letters. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe YouTube channel, share this video.